Hi, I'm Lionel Messi. Join me as I relive my journey from the streets of Rosario to becoming a global football icon. In Rosario, Argentina, football wasn't just a game, it was a way of life. My first coach was my grandmother, who always believed in me. At age 13, facing a growth hormone deficiency, I found hope in football. It was my escape, my dream.
En la categoría 87, en el arco forma con el número 1 Juan Cruz Leguizamón, con el 3 Bruno Milanesio, número 2 para Mariano Miró, número 4 para Correa y con el 5 Lucas Escaglia.
The opportunity to join Barcelona's youth academy, La Masia, changed everything. It was a new country, new language, and a new challenge. At Barcelona, I quickly rose through the ranks. My debut at 17 wasn't just a personal milestone, it was a tribute to everyone who believed in me. My style evolved. Close ball control, rapid sprints, and a knack for finding the net. The Messi way. Winning my first Ballon d'Or at 22 was surreal, but it was just the beginning.
Io punto su Messi non perché cerchi il quarto pallone d'oro consecutivo, non perché abbia fatto 91 gol in quest'anno, ma perché realizza il sogno di molti di noi da piccoli, e cioè entrare in porta con il pallone. Rischia di vincere tutti i palloni d'oro del decennio, tra l'altro.
Sì, abbiamo fatto con Filippo Ricci la rubrica Il Ligantro.
Ronaldo è la potenza, Messi il gol e Iniesta il calcio. Potremmo utilizzarla così.
Sì, per Messi e Iniesta sì, forse un po' limitativo la potenza più per Cristiano, perché c'è anche dei piedi fantastici. La garra, no? Come si dice in Spagna.
Occhio che si va.
Messi, per la quarta volta.
The moment we've all been waiting for. Who's going to be the winner?
The 2023 Ballon d'Or France footballer is Lionel Messi.
For the 8th time in his career, extending that record even further, the Argentine superstar Lionel Messi wasn't nominated last year for the first time.
With every goal, every victory, I play for those who dream big. My journey has had its share of challenges, injuries, high-stake matches, and intense rivalries. Yet, the love for the game keeps me going.
Messi. Absolutely astounding.
And a little genius with a wonderful goal. The shirt may well have changed. The finishing ability remains the same.
South America
for PSG, and Messi's there.
Brilliant ball from Madigan. Is this it now? Yes, it is! That's what they came to see! And
You've got to be good to take a penalty like that. He is pretty good.
To everyone who's been part of my journey, thank you. Remember, it's not just about winning, it's about the love for the game that unites us all. Stay passionate, keep dreaming. I'm Lionel Messi, and this is not just my story, but a story shared with each of you. A story that continues on the field and in our hearts. Until next time, keep playing and keep dreaming. If you've enjoyed this journey through my life and career, feel free to show your support. A simple like goes a long way, and if you want to stay updated with more stories and insights from my world of football, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for being an incredible part of my journey.